Welcome back to Breslov campus. Some strength when facing frustration. Even though we've spoken about this many times, it requires reminder, chazara, that when you are frustrated and you feel so upside down, you don't know what to do, you don't know what Hashem wants of you, you're trying your best to serve Hashem, you're trying your best to do things right in life, and it just doesn't work out. And there are times where it's so much frustration because it's not that one thing happens, it's one thing, and then while facing it, another thing pops up, and another thing pops up, and it's like a few things at once, which, by the way, makes it so obvious that it's heavenly sent, that they're sending you purposely so much in one shot. It's so clear that Hashem is the one behind it. But the thing is, when this happens, it's very simple, that you don't do anything at all. You can't do anything at all. You can't decide when you're frustrated. You can't make a move. You can't do anything. The best thing is to relax, take a nap, go for a walk, but run away from the situation, because when you go back to it tomorrow, your head will be much clearer to deal with it. And ideas and things to think about pop up afterwards that were not there at the time because you're just so overwhelmed. So this is a big rule in life. Never to feel compelled within the frustration to make a decision. You should, in order to make a right move, wait things out. Because in the meantime, you do many more mitzvot. You will obviously, if that is in your lane in life, talk to Hashem. You'll bring it up to Hashem. And you give time for Hashem to give you an answer. Nobody in the world has to make you feel you have to answer right now. This happened, you have to deal with it right now. Because you dealing with it right now will be fatal in that you won't be able to deal with it properly. It's better to wait a little and to be able to deal with things with a proper frame of mind and doing it right than to deal with it immediately wrong and then have to fix it up and do it again a second, third, fourth time to deal with it. It happens, everyone goes through this. It happens a lot in life. What's needed is to wait until Hashem opens the doors. You have no need to feel compelled to answer and to make a decision immediately. You must get time. You need airspace for you in order to decide. This is where Rav Nosson stresses a lot, Rabbi Nachman also, that you need what's called lesader moach, yishuv adat, to organize your head, your thoughts, and to have a calmness of the mind in order to make the right decisions in life. This is something very important, and many people make wrong decisions in life because they were hasty. That's the word, hasty, paziz in Hebrew, to make a decision. What's needed is just to wait until Hashem Himself gives you the clarity of mind how to deal with the situation. And the biggest consolation is that when you're given da'at, knowledge, awareness, how to deal with the situation, you feel now that it's not above your level. Because normally when a person is attacked with frustration, they feel that they've been hit with a situation above their level. That I can't handle this. This is above my level, and I have no say in the matter. And Hashem, if that's the case, like Moshe Rabbeinu said, Im ayin mechenina, if now Hashem you can't deal with the Jewish people, then blot me out. So I shouldn't see the bad and evil that I have brought upon the Jewish people, that I can't save them and help them. So that's how it is, that a person feels when it's so futile, and if he feels it's above his level, the person feels that that's the case, I have no purpose to live, God forbid. That's the type of thoughts that come out when a person is faced with futile situations where he feels everything is finished. What's needed is to wait, to be patient, and visit Hashem. Things begin to work out.